Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another rainy, gloomy vlog in Calgary. Honestly, we need this rain. I am not like a rain person. I am so affected by weather, and the fact that it's been gloomy nonstop since I've been back is just a little too much. It's a weekend and I need to get back on track with working out. So this is me taking my ass to the gym. That's what we're doing today. Oh, did you take my lock from me? Good morning. I am so exhausted today. I only went to the gym, and what else did I do? I think that's basically it. For some reason, the gloomy, rainy weather just gets to me and I just feel so unproductive. But now the sun is out and I actually have dinner plans. I'm meeting up with some girlfriends. We're going to this new-ish restaurant called Onion, and it's known for their Korean noodles. So I am all about noodles, so we'll see how it is. But first, I am gonna have my coffee because I don't think I'm gonna last till late tonight if I don't. So let's go downstairs. The sun is out. All right, I am sipping my coffee. This is the instant coffee. This is like the Korean instant coffee that is my go-to, and it is so good. It actually tastes amazing. So it's currently 5:09. It takes about 30 minutes to get to this restaurant, so it's quite far. I don't like being late. Nothing else to do before dinner. I'm just gonna get there a little bit earlier. For hair today, I don't know, I just didn't want my hair in my face. So I just did like a middle part and just slicked it back. This is a look. I'm just gonna look like an egghead. Okay, I think I am all ready. It's time to head out. Are you ready? This one's cute. We just did more photos at Seoul Cafe with the dumpling.
This is it though.
Okay.
Oh, so I just got the numbers on.
Okay, so I just like came across this drama on Netflix called Atypical Family, and I was reading the storyline for it. Okay, this looks like it's just gonna be a whatever watch. There's no other K-dramas that are out that I haven't watched already. So I started it and it is so freaking good. Yeah, very unexpected, but I've literally been binge watching it for the last, well, since last night. So I am all for it. If you guys need a new K-drama to watch, I highly recommend it. It has a bit of comedy, there's a bit of romance, there's just a bit of like, you know, family stuff. It's just the right balance of everything, I guess. So yeah, it was a really nice surprise because I wasn't expecting to like this drama so much, but I think I'm gonna close off this vlog. Thank you for joining me on a slower pace vlog than the recent ones that have been coming out. It is nice to just take it slow again, be my introverted self, and just do fun things at home and spend quality time with some friends. I will see you in the next one.